Your question: how do I include a JavaScript file in another JavaScript file? Your answer: you can include a JavaScript file in another JavaScript file using the JavaScript import statement. Example: //file1.js export const my function equals console.log, this is my function from file1.js, / file2.js, import my function from file1.js, my function, / outputs, this is my function from file1.js. Your question: what is the difference between let and var? Your answer: the main difference between let and var is that let is a block scoped variable and var is a function scoped variable. Let's look at an example. / using var function my function. If true, var x equals 5. Console.log x / x is 5. My function / using let function my function. If true, let x equals 5. Console.log x / x is not defined. My function. In the example above, the variable x is declared inside the if statement. The difference is that when var is used, the variable is accessible outside the if statement. But when let is used, the variable is only accessible inside the if statement. Your question: which equals operator, vs equals should be used in JavaScript comparisons? Your answer: the strict equality operator, equals should be used in JavaScript comparisons. This operator checks for both the value and the type of the two operands to be equal. For example, let a equals 5. Let b equals 5. Console.log a equals b / returns true. Console.log a equals b / returns false.